ewa hapuma na sorry Krabia Abidi Yaho and I what am I passing 2 years and na nanum enim Krata every United Seychelles, the Republic of Seychelles na Madama Omode Krata Abre area to Madama Yeleshana kind of Kaka. I say His Majesty Opemsuo say to the second Asantehene, Kingdom of Asante, Menchia Palace, Kumasi, Ghana. 14th October 2025. Dear His Majesty, Opemsuo Osei expression of gratitude for your support and invitation to attend the presidential inauguration of the Republic of Seychelles. I write with deep respect and heartfelt appreciation to acknowledge the gracious support and goodwill extended by Your Majesty toward the people and Republic of Seychelles during this significant period of our national transition. Your continued friendship and interest in the progress of our nation have not gone unnoticed, and I wish to convey my sincere gratitude for the warmth and solidarity shown by Your Majesty and the Asante Kingdom. It gives me great pleasure to formally confirm that I have been elected President of the Republic of Seychelles following the recently concluded national elections runoff. The outcome represents the collective hopes and aspirations of our people for a renewed era of unity, progress, and national pride. I'm deeply humbled by the trust reposed in me, and I approach this calling with profound sense of duty and reverence for the ideals of service, inclusiveness, and peace. Your Majesty, as I prepare to assume the responsibilities of this high office, I find inspiration in leaders such as yourself, whose reign embodies wisdom, balance, and devotion to the welfare of your people. The Asante Kingdom stands as a model of stability and cultural excellence, a living heritage that continues to illuminate the strength and dignity of African leadership. Your own life of purpose and the quiet authority with which you guide your people remind us that true power resides not in command, but in compassion and vision. It is therefore with great honor that I extend to Your Majesty a formal invitation to attend my presidential inauguration ceremony, which will take place in Victoria, Mahe, on 26th October. Your presence would be deeply cherished and will lend immense honor and grace to this historic occasion. I would be delighted to welcome you personally to our islands as we celebrate this milestone in our democratic journey. The Republic of Seychelles holds in high regard the values of peace, culture, and unity that are so beautifully preserved in the Asante Kingdom. It is my sincere wish that this new chapter of our leadership will provide fertile grounds for strengthening the bonds of friendship and cooperation between our people through cultural exchange, heritage, diplomacy, and mutual growth. My office will ensure that full details regarding the logistics, ceremonial protocols, and official program of the inauguration are shared with your Chief of Staff at the earliest convenience to assist in your travel preparations and ensure every courtesy befitting Your Majesty's status. Please accept my warmest gratitude once again for your steadfast support and friendship. May the Almighty continue to bless your reign with peace, health, and the grace that has long distinguished your leadership across Africa and beyond. With assurances of my highest cooperation, with assurances of my highest consideration, yours sincerely, Dr. Patrick Hermini, President-elect of the Republic of Seychelles. Madam Akrata Asantehene, and also free the Republic of Suriname. Now, I also say His Majesty, Opemsuo II, Asantehene, King of the Ashanti of the Republic of Ghana. Your Majesty, I have the honor to extend to you my warmest greetings on behalf of the government and people of the Republic of Suriname. On 25th November 2025, the Republic of Suriname will be celebrating its 50th year of independence. This golden jubilee marks a special moment to reflect on the growth and development of our nation, as well as on the further strengthening of our bilateral relations as we celebrate the resilience of our nation and our people. It is therefore that I have the pleasure and distinct honor to extend to you a cordial invitation on behalf of the government and the people of the Republic of Suriname to join us in celebrating the 50th anniversary of the independence of our republic. Your Majesty, your esteemed presence at this auspicious ceremony commemorating our sovereignty and unity would greatly enrich the proceedings and serve as a symbol of the enduring friendship and cooperation between the Republic of Suriname and the Kingdom of the Asantehene of the Republic of Ghana. Details on the program and logistical arrangements will be communicated in due course through the appropriate diplomatic channels. While awaiting Your Majesty's confirmation, I avail myself to this opportunity to reiterate the assurances of my highest and most distinguished consideration, Jennifer Galen Simmons, President of the Republic of Suriname,